What if we could solve our everyday work challenges as effortlessly as they came up?
It's Spencer. The ballroom's flooded, so you have 4 days to find a new venue for the launch.
Jamie has an impossible task. In some cases, she stays cool, calm, collected. But with her team members and everyone else that helps make things happen, she might be a little more emotive.
Red alert, we need a new venue for launch. We have 4 days.
When teams are empowered to easily bring the right people together, it's amazing how effortlessly productive we become.
Morning. Okay, I found some other possible venues.
With the right tools, anyone can build a culture of collaboration
How about this one?
That one's a little boring.
and easily communicate with whomever they need to, however they need to.
That one is perfect. I'll go check it out in person. Okay, this place is amazing. Here, I'll share my rear camera.
Yes, love that one.
Hey, I gotta run to the airport. I'm gonna switch to my phone.
Even when they're working across multiple time zones, it always felt as if they were there together.
Hey, sorry I'm late. Kids, I'll catch up on the transcript.
And right over here is where we're going to put the bar, and next to that is going to be the cupcake station, which draws people to the stage.
And the dance floor.
No one dances at a product launch.
I'll be dancing.
All right, team, we're in the home stretch.
There's a sense of accountability that builds trust and confidence because of visibility into the game plan. We can track our responsibilities and track our progress.
It's Antonio at Trevi Pastry. I need to fax our invoice.
With all the curveballs that we face at work,
Hi, we need to update the delivery address.
the one thing Jamie's team doesn't have to worry about is how they're going to bring all the right people together. And when everyone can connect seamlessly, anything is possible.